Folks, you better be ready because today's a big day. We have a lot to go over in this video. It's currently about 11 a.m. and all the indexes except for the NASDAQ are in the green right now, heading into that FOMC statement we have later today, the press conference. So in this video, we're going to break down the charts, what's going on, stocks I'm looking at, all that good stuff. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe and follow me on Twitter, guys, at Stocks Talk Stocks. That's free. And guys, you might as well get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo as well, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo, get your stocks. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So check it out, guys. It's currently about, what time is it? 11:15 a.m. So it's early in the day. We still have about 2.5, 3 hours left until we actually get the press conference, the FOMC statement. And heading into that, guys, it looks like all the indexes, like I said in the intro, are green except for the NASDAQ. We have a lot of tech stocks. Well, not even a lot of tech stocks in the red, guys. I mean, geez, the NASDAQ's only down 0.08%, so barely down. But we do have Microsoft down about 0.5%. We have Apple down 0.9%. We have Google down 1.3%. So a lot of the big names out there today are selling off. Not crazy, but we are seeing a little bit of a sell-off here, you know, kind of some antsiness, if you will, before the FOMC statement. And in the pre-market, guys, we can see we were up even more, believe it or not. In the pre-market, SPY was at what, 445 almost, 444.50, and now it's at 443.70, so it is down a little bit intraday, but overall, we're still up 0.25%. We have the Russell up, let's see, 0.6%. The Dow's up 0.5%. So everything's in the green right now. The VIX, well, except for the NASDAQ. The VIX is down 1%. We have the metals up a little bit. And heading into the FOMC statement, we have oil, which you guys know has been doing very well. Oil is up a little bit here, but that looks like it's after the pullback. We got to 88 a barrel. Let me actually show you guys that on the 20-day charts. I'm not sure if you noticed, but oil hit 92 a barrel. That was 2 days ago. You guys probably remember that. And then we ended up double topping essentially, or maybe triple topping, whatever you'd call that, at about 92 a barrel over the past couple of days. And then we got that retracement, it looks like yesterday and the day before that, into today a little bit. We got down to about 89 a barrel. So we pulled back barely anything. I mean, 3-4%. And now it looks like we're getting the pop off the 180 SMA on the 1 hour chart on oil here. And to be honest, guys, it looks like the uptrend to me, I don't know about you, but it looks like it's continuing. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. But this still looks really bullish. Crude oil does. And honestly, a lot of these indexes, if we pop up the longer time frames, obviously are still very bullish, right? So heading into this decision, guys, I'm very interested to see how we end up moving. And of course, we're not expecting a rate hike this go around. I mean, let me pull it up here and show you guys exactly what's going on. I think it's 5.5% where the Fed funds rate's at right now, but let me pull it up and show you guys. This is Forex Factory. I love using this, not sponsored by the way, but they break it down very nicely what upcoming economic events are, you know, are worth looking out for. And of course, in this case, the Fed funds rate, the economic projections, the statement, the press conference, these are all things worth looking out for. So let me pull it up and show you here the federal funds rate. You guys can see up top here. This was at 5.5% last go around, and well, now it's projected to be 5.5% again, like I said. And I think the last rate hike we got was back in July. Yeah, it looks like in July we were at 5.25. Then we got to 5.5, so we stayed flat from that point. And it looks like, I'm not sure, I guess we'll see today. Will we get another rate hike this year? Maybe there's one more left, or maybe not. We'll see what Powell ends up saying. I'm sure that's going to be a topic of discussion at the press conference, which you guys all know. The press conference is at 2:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and the press conference is about an hour long and has two parts. First, a prepared statement that is read, which usually takes a couple of minutes. That's not long at all. And then we get into the juicy stuff, the meat and potatoes, guys. That is the press questions, right? Where, you know, the questions often lead to unscripted answers and create heavy market volatility. That's very true. You guys can see that's what it says right here. That's very true. Usually, Powell, there's not many people that can move the stock market, right? Really, not many people at all. But Powell is one of them that can. If Powell were to come up today, let's be honest, guys, if Powell were to come on air today and be like, folks, yes, I'm concerned about the economy, inflation is kicking up more than expected, we're going to have to raise rates to 7% or 8% or something like that. He has the power to collapse the financial system pretty much, let alone drop the stock market. He could easily drop the stock market. That's nothing. I mean, he could easily do that. He could do a lot more than that, guys. That's the point. He could easily collapse the financial system. Well, maybe not single-handedly, but him and the Federal Reserve, if they wanted to jack rates up, guys, man, that would cause a lot of problems in the system. Forget about the stock market. Screw the stock market. That would cause probably a financial collapse, let's be honest. So yeah, 2 p.m. FOMC statement, 2:30 p.m. press conference, and of course, we're going to make another video after that, after that plays out. So make sure you guys subscribe and be in touch with the channel because we're going to break down kind of how the markets reacted, key points from the, from the FOMC statement, the press conference, all that stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content. And now let's see some stocks that are inching up before this statement. And this is one that we recently covered, I believe, Pinterest, right? Yeah, we covered this. Maybe it was yesterday, the day before. Either way, Pinterest is one that's up 4.5% today, up $1.20, and now it's pushing the top of the channel, which needs to break on this time frame, which this is the 4-hour time frame. And with today's move, guys, up over $1, we're breaking above the 50 and the 180 moving averages, which is great on the 4-hour chart, although we're not breaking above the channel yet. We're getting awfully close to maybe doing that. So Pinterest looks like it's on the verge of potentially breaking out. Now, is that guaranteed? Obviously not. Nothing's guaranteed in the markets, but it looks like here the reason why, oh man, look at this. All these upgrades came in today, guys. What's going on? Citigroup upgrades Pinterest to buy, raises price target to $36. Let's see. Rosenblatt maintains buy on Pinterest, raises price target to $38. Let's see what else. Wells Fargo maintains overweight on Pinterest, lowers price target to $35, but that's still $8 higher than where we are right now. Looks like anything else here, anything else. But it's funny how all these come in at once, right? D.A. Davidson upgrades Pinterest to buy, raises price target to $35. So yeah, I think a lot of these analysts are going bullish right now. Well, I don't think. I just saw it. And I was saying this a couple of days ago before we even got this news. So look, Pinterest, if it breaks 28, which it hasn't done that yet, so don't get too excited. But in my opinion, if it does, 28, 29, we could really start taking off 32 plus, maybe even higher. We'll see. Let's see what else is moving here, guys. Amgen's up a little bit. Oh, wow. Look at that. Amgen's actually breaking out. Did we not cover this, I think, a couple of videos ago? Now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, Amgen at 268 we were talking about. That was the high, I think, from the middle of August. Yeah, middle of August. And we took out that point. Now we're at, what, 270? This could be going to 278, 280, guys, being right by the highs from the beginning of this year. And if that were to break, my alert's at 280. You guys see that alert? Maybe we start going even higher. Let's see. From that point, maybe 296, 295, 300. That's where we could be pushing. So AMGN, that's Amgen, guys. Watch out for it. Let's see. DKNG is also moving. Let's see. DKNG's up around 1.6% right now. It's a little bit interesting, I'd say. We're sandwiched between these moving averages. Let's see what direction we do end up picking there. Not loving that setup right now. Well, I'd love it if we ended up breaking back over 32, but we're not looking like it's doing that quite yet. Let's put it that way, guys. So DKNG is kind of consolidating. We'll see what direction that ends up picking. Let's see. Humana, is that one that is worth looking at? Yeah, maybe Humana. This is up around 1.4%. Looks like it is gapping out of these moving averages right now. Look for, maybe more upside in Humana, guys. But overall, I wanted to break down the indexes in this video and do a quick recap heading into the FOMC statement in about 2 hours from now. Actually, no, 3 hours from now, 3.5. Oh, geez, I'm losing track of time. Whatever. Either way, it's coming up, guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo. If you guys want some free stocks, that is, and you want to help out the channel, why not? Use that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with your initial $100 deposit, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And guys, fund it with at least $5,000 for a limited limited time, on top of those 15 stocks, which mind you, each of those could be valued up to $2,000, you also get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So get on it, guys. Use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.